Hi, you guys. I'm Pam, and I run Canva Creations with Pam on Facebook. I also am a VIP in PIPS, Passive Income Pathways, and I have a membership called Canva, the Canva Clubhouse. And that is where I've had it for almost 2 years now. So there's so much in that membership. It's $15 a month. If you want more info, it will be under the video description. Okay, so holidays, they're coming up. We all want to get some holiday posts up there. So I'm going to give you some ideas of what to search for, what to look for, and all that. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. I'm already in a design thing, so I just kind of wanted to show you a couple things that you can. Canva already has us set up. Okay, so I'm going to go up to first, I'm going to go to design, and design is the very first option right above elements. And so I'm going to click on design. And here they'll give you all kinds of templates, and I've already put Christmas in there. Okay, so here is all kinds of templates you can use. Now, remember the crown ones are pro, so if you have pro, you use these. They're awesome. You just have to. This one's free, so you'll just have to search, or you can come up here and oh, they don't have it for this. Nope. Sometimes you'll be able to do free or not free. Okay, so let's look at some things. So I grabbed this one just because it would be really cool. Just put your little message. So you can change this out. You can put in whatever you want. Happy shopping, stuff like that. You can change the font. You can change the elements. And now these are elements that are really cool. If you like them, here's a little tip. Like, let's see here. I love this little snowman, right? So I want to keep it. Like, I mean, I want to use it for something. So I'm going to go up here. I'm going to put on the three dots, and it better allow me to do this. It won't allow me info. Oh, here we go. So you click info, and I'm going to star this. We used to be able to just star right there, but no. And then this one I like. So three dots, info, and then star. Okay. So anytime I find something I really like, I just star it. It gets put in the star folder. All right. So that is a little tip and trick here. So, and you can even change out the background if that background is not working for you. And let's see here. See if we can find this photo. Okay, this is the duh, Pam, they're not photos, they're elements. Okay, so if I want to change the color to something that's on here, I'm just going to click on here. I'm going to click on the background color. And okay, here we go. Sorry. I'm going to click on this little plus sign and then the eyedropper. And then I'm going to come over here and I'm going to go, okay, what color do I want to do this in? And let's say I want to do just like this little brown, even though that would be that I could possibly like just go a little lighter. And there you go. And then the house shows up. So that's yet another little tip. Okay, so let's move on to the next. Okay. And so I grabbed this one. And what I thought about was if you sell products, this would be a really good template. And this is in design. And I put in Christmas, and it's rare. So that's all you really need to look for, and it'll be up there. But in these images, you can put in your products or your gift guide ideas, and then put gift guide, and then you could put the link in the social media post on, okay, here's the link to my gift guide. Okay, now this one's really cool. Like if you want to just have a really simple um Christmas greeting on Facebook, Christmas, you can put in whatever your message and then put your little picture right here. How awesome is that? You just would switch it out, you would delete the image, and there you go. You just put your picture in. And you can change out the background and just keep this if you want. That's, perfectly fine too. Okay, now this is the fun part. So, lettering. I always find Christmas element lettering so cute. So, I'm going to go to element, this one, and I'm going to type in Christmas letters. Okay, and I'm just going to plop that in. I just want to show this to you. There's graphics, there's photos, there's videos, there's audio, and there's even mock-ups. Okay, so so make sure that you check all these out if you want. So then for this one, if you want all the letters, okay, you'll go to the three dots, go all the way down to info and view collection. And then all of these will pop up over here. Okay, and then you can spell out whatever you want. Now, not all of them do that though. Okay, so this one right here, this was also, oh, and by the way, if you find one that you really like, I am just going to paste this right here. Sorry. Because if you paste it, then people can find it, or you can find it with you just would put that in for the search and then all of that would come up. Okay, back to this one. Okay, so this is also a Christmas letter. Okay, it's right here. Click on the three dots, go to info, and the view collection is not a view collection. So you can see more and it will pop up, them. And then what you can do though is you put in Christmas letter or Christmas cookie letter. Okay, and then they have all kinds of them. So you would just have to pick the one that you would want, but there's all kinds. And if you really want to like narrow it down, then Christmas cookie letter C. And then all the C's pop up. Okay, there's so many cute ones. Yeah, there's a lot, by the way, guys. There's a lot. Okay, so that is that. And then same with this one. Just if you need to know more, you would just click info, go down to info, and of course the view collection. But then you can also go up here and go view by more from this creator, and it will just show you everything that they have created. But that would take a bit to go through, so I don't really recommend that. Okay, now let's say if you just cannot find any elements that you feel like, okay, I'm just not feeling anything, which I don't understand because there's so much. However, go to elements on the left hand, go down to the AI generator and generate your own. And so get 500 credits a month. Let's see here. I think it's for everybody. Just look down here, but every month you get new ones. Now, I am going to go back. These are the ones that I made. I asked for a snowman in pastel colors, and I got them. I got them. This one was a little, I was like, eh. So what I did was I go edit and I can filter this. So if I don't, I can like play with the colors here. Like if I want that, that's cute. That's cute. No snowman's going to be that color, but it's still cute, right? And then, yeah, and then if this, so that's really cute. So these are things that you can do. Okay, now if you, let's go, so you could create images, graphics, and videos. And these are what you can do in the graphic part. So I'm going to go hand drawn. No, let's do sticker. And let's put in here a wreath with bells. Okay, let's see what it gives us. Oh, this is really cute. That's new. And this one I don't give a whole lot of direction. I feel like when I put long prompts in, it confuses it. I'd rather use, okay. Okay, so those are cute. See? And then if you click on them, let's go ahead and add another page. So when you click on them, they get saved to your downloads. Okay. All right. I think that, I like this one the most. So